So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a Missguided haul as well as a try-on. So let's get into it, shall we? So the first garment I picked up from Missguided is this absolutely stunning lemon print frill sleeve kind of white dress. I actually picked this up since I picked up a pair of lemon print heels from Just Fab recently, and I thought it would make like a cute like summery kind of lemony vibe go-to kind of combination. So yeah, I now have a dress to go with these shoes that I picked up, and I just thought it was something a little bit different and zesty. The next garment I picked up from Missguided is this absolutely stunning Bardo-styled lavender lacy mini dress. That is literally my style in a nutshell. I love a Bardo style of dress so gosh darn much. I just think it's so flattering and so pretty. The colour lavender is literally like up there with like top tier, and the fact that it's lacy and like a short little slutty mini dress is just everything to me. As soon as I saw this on the Missguided website, I was like, girl, I need that. I really hope it looks cute on, since in my head this dress is my style, girl. And we're at that point in the haul already where I pick up one of my favourite prints, and it's not floral yet. It's snake print. This next thing I picked up is like a little two-piece set, so you get a cute little like crop top bralette as well as a nice little like high-waisted coordinating skirt to go with it, and it's in this really pretty like deep purple like indigo-y navy colour with like brighter like ultraviolet-y kind of purple snake print accents. I just think this is so pretty, and pretty much anytime I see anything snake print I just naturally gravitate towards it and pick it up, and I don't own anything in like a purpley snake print vibe, so now I do. And then surprise surprise, the next thing is also snake print. This one looks a lot more like snaky since it's in like a natural tone, but again it's in like a nice Bardo style. It's got some nice frill and like fit to the body to it, and snake print is just such a like vibe for me that I literally want to own it in every single colour and style I can. So now we have like a whatever snake this is, print snake. Okay, I was obviously feeling my snake print fantasy since the next dress that I picked up is also snake print. This one's in a really nice like deeper kind of slate grey kind of black moment with a couple of like red accented snake print patterns to it. So yeah, I was definitely feeling snake when I was shopping on Missguided, and hopefully they all fit, hopefully they look cute, since snake print, like I've said, love. And the obsession continues. You would think 3 previous like snake print garments would be enough, but no girl, obviously not. The next thing I grabbed is this absolutely stunning red snake print little mini skirt. I don't really buy like too many separates like skirts and tops. Generally I gravitate towards dresses, so yeah, I was obviously really feeling the red fantasy vibe to just buy a separate red little skirt, but yeah, I think it's super cute, and for sure at some point you'll see it on my channel in a transformation, since 99% of my wardrobe is either floral or snake print at this point, so more to the collection. You'll be happy to know that my little snake print obsession is finally over in this haul, since the next garment I picked up is just a nice simple yellow mustardy kind of crop top. Tops like this are always good. They go with so many things, particularly if you have like a nice high-waisted leather skirt. I think it would like really complement this, but yeah, it's always good to have some more little simple separates, and again, at some point you'll see it on my channel, girl. And the next thing is in the second of my obsessions in terms of prints, which is floral. This next piece is like a cute little like romper jumpsuit in like a really pretty like soft light blue with some nice like chain detail and like flowers all over it. But what I think is really cute is that these sleeves are like full on like flowy kind of hippie sleeves, which adds some nice drama to it. It does have quite also very low plunging neckline, so I'm hoping I can like wear my breastplate with it and just kind of show the girls and have like that nice like flowy kind of sleeve moment to my look. But yeah, the next thing I picked up is floral. The next garment is also kind of floral themed, since it's all like a leaf print dress. What's different about this though is that it's a halter neck. I don't really own or gravitate or buy halter necks all that often, so I don't really know what drew me to this all that much, but I do quite like the print. I do think it's quite like fun and different, and yeah, I now own a like leaf print dress. It does feel quite like thin material and look a little bit sheer, so I'm hoping it's got some coverage to, you know, hide me where I want to be hidden. But yeah, I think it's quite cute and summery, and at some point you'll see it on my channel. Girl. And then the final garment I picked up from Missguided could be in one of my favourite colours of all time, but it's also one of the strangest things I think I've picked up in terms of like length and style, since it is a neon acid green lace dress, but it's also like in a weird like mid-shin length. So it's kind of like a weird mix of like modern, funky, trendy acid with like a strange like maternity kind of fit to it. So yeah, I'm hoping it looks cute on my body. If not, I'm tempted just to like chop the whole bottom of it off and make it like super slutty. But yeah, I love the colour, I love lace, so hopefully it looks good on. So yeah, that completes my little haul from Missguided. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which piece was your favourite and what I should be picking up for future hauls. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, but like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you about bonus days. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, should that tongue pop outro, girl?